Having trouble cashing out your DoorDash earnings? Here's the deal. DoorDash's fast pay feature allows instant withdrawals, but several factors can block you. The most common reasons are unverified accounts, hitting payout limits, or suspected fraudulent activity. New users or those with payout issues often face mandatory biometric ID checks using facial recognition. Limits vary. Unverified accounts might have a $100 weekly cap with no instant payouts, while verified users can access up to $750 weekly with daily caps. Always ensure your account details like tax forms and bank info are up to date to avoid holds. If your cash out is held or rejected, it's often due to these security measures, especially if there's unusual activity on your account. Don't panic if you're locked out of FastPay. First, check the payouts section in the DoorDash app for specific error codes or messages. Re-verify your identity if prompted. This usually involves uploading a government-issued ID and completing a live video verification. Contact DoorDash support through the app's chat feature for assistance. If the issue is with your bank, try linking a different account. Keep in mind that payout limits reset weekly. If you believe you've been unfairly penalized, appeal the hold with supporting documentation like delivery logs. For persistent problems, consider switching to a different linked bank account. Remember, DoorDash's payout success rate is around 95%, so with some troubleshooting, most issues can be resolved. Be patient and persistent in providing any requested information.